Vidya Gyan. Today we are here with our mission Swachhata. Our mission is about proper disposal of human waste here and preparing an organic manure from it. As we can see in the photographs that waste here is being disposed outside our school premises in an improper manner. So I and my friend have decided to have a thorough discussion on it. We four had a thorough discussion on this issue and decided to extend our helping hand in resolving this problem. In our discussion, we came to know that major part of that dump was human hair, as there were six barber shops in that locality. So we spoke to the barbers. Some said that hair can't decay at all. Some said that it takes several years to decay. From our researches, we got to know that hair takes at least 3 to 4 years to decay. Normally, it do not decay in vicinity, but as this man is showing, this hair was kept 4 years back. From that time, it is not decomposed still yet. Now coming to health hazards caused by human hair. As we know, human hair causes severe problems like tuberculosis, lung infection, bronchitis, and several respiratory tract infections. We got a question in our mind, is this waste hair can be of any use? Then we have gone through different resources and found an interesting data about composition of hair. We found an interesting fact that hair can contribute up to 18% of nitrogen, which is very important for plant growth, whereas any other organic manure can contribute up to 0.2% only. But the main drawback is hair takes a very long duration to decompose. Then again we started searching through different resources to find a solution which can quicken the process of hair decay. Oh, surprised? Yes, surprisingly, cow dung is that solution which can allow the growth of a fungus which can break the keratin, a protein from which hair is made of.
We have made a pit to prepare manure from cow dung and hair.
We have collected the hair, dropped into the pit, and after that we will mix it with cow dung. And we have collected the manure of cow dung.
And we are going to mix it with hair, and in this keratinolytic fungus will produce and it will break the keratin of hair.
This is the hair that we have collected from our hostel.
And this is the cow dung.
We have taken this rectangular pot and we have divided into two parts, and we are creating the markings over here. As you know, we have taken one rectangular plot and divided into two parts. The part of field in which we have used manure made from hair gave us amazing results, while the part of field in which we used normal organic manure was not so satisfactory. This proves that this project can really do a great job in cleaning the environment and simultaneously helping the farmers. As a part of our mission to motivate the barbers, we gifted dustbins and encouraged the uses of dustbin. And once they are filled, they will drop it into the pit which was made with their cooperation. As you know, the place which was very dirty and filled with trash became a better place. And let's hope much more betterment in future. And we personally experienced lots of joy and satisfaction through this project. And we invite you people also to work in your places, as a result of which we can make our earth a beautiful place to live. Thank you for watching our video.